Why does this knife keep selling out? Well, if you're a knife enthusiast or knife collector, you're probably already familiar with this bad boy. But if not, get ready to be impressed. This is the Gladiator Venator by Dalstrong. Bold, sharp, jaw-dropping. Although it has a striking appearance, the engineering behind this product actually serves a valuable purpose. The blade's signature curve allows a seamless motion when making cuts and an open hole near the handle for a comfortable grip. So make sure to get it now before it's gone again. Thanks, Dalstrong.